Hey everybody, welcome to another one on my airplane unbox on my airplane unboxing review and updates. Yeah, and today I'm gonna show you one of the coolest I think. So stay tuned. Yeah, and I'll be showing to you in a minute. Let me go ahead and get it out. Yeah, yeah. And sorry about that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, everybody. So today I'm gonna show you. We got here, this, this FedEx Express Boeing, single plane model. Yeah, it's a single plane. Yeah, the plane is, I think it's a Boeing 767. Yeah, it's a heavy jet. Yeah, that's really nice. Yeah, it says Diecast metal, authentic livery. Yeah, right there it says Daron World White Training .ink. I mean, no, it's ink. Yeah, it's got, and over here it's got RT 1044. Yeah, yeah. Let me show you another more parts. Yeah. Well, yeah. Well, at least let me show you right now the back of the box. Yeah, it's got something right there. Yeah, it's got. Yeah, there's got the plane there. Yeah, FedEx, and it's got, yeah, I think the MEM tower. Yeah, I think that's got, because FedEx has its headquarters in at Memphis, Tennessee. Yeah, that's the FedEx Express there. Yeah, it says there. Yeah, and it's got, yeah, Daron right there. Yeah, well, yeah, there's recyclable, yeah, package and recyclable material. Yeah, www.darontoys.com. Yeah, Fairfield, New Jersey. Yeah, well, manufactured by Real Toy International Ltd, Hong Kong. Yeah. Well, now with that, let's go ahead and unbox it. Yeah. Yeah. All right, now, so here's the airplane. Yeah, that looks really great. Yeah, and that's awesome. Yeah, that's the FedEx. Yeah, very nice. Very nice looking jet. Yeah, and let me show you right here where it says there. Yeah, right there. Yeah, that's the cockpit windows. Yeah, yeah, right there, and it looks beautiful. Yeah, right there. Yeah, the left side. Up and yes, got the front cargo boarding door. Yeah, and they're right there. And, it doesn't got no back door. Yeah, and right there it's got the American. See the American flag there, and see that it's got FedEx Express on the engines. And for the other side, it's got the other cargo door, cargo boarding door. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, and the tail, yeah, it says FedEx on both sides. Yeah, yeah. So this gotta be great. Yeah. Let me see while they're done putting the cargo on. All the cargo on board. Yeah. All the cargo's on board. Yeah, loading all the boxes into the plane. All the boxes. Yeah. And so me, I got my brother gave it to me for Christmas in 2019. Yeah, that was the year. I mean, yeah, months before the pandemic. Yeah, I was in the year that the pandemic started. Yeah, that's very cool. I don't know how much it cost me. Yeah, it's my brother orders them for me on the Amazon. I don't know how much dollars they cost. Yeah, how much dollars here for this airplane models. Air. Yeah, but they're super cool anyways. Yeah. Yeah, and I agree that. Yeah, they're very nice. Alright, so they're already finished loading it with all the cargo. Yeah, now they're closing the doors already and start to push back. And it starts to push back, yeah. And they starting to push back. Yeah, alright, now doors closed and ready to push back, ready to roll. Yeah. Alright, yeah, there we go. Alright, starting up. Line them up. Right. Yeah. Yeah, far one. Yeah, and then yeah, fire two. And now just waiting for a signal from air traffic controller. Yeah, sorry about that. So let me see if it's got registration in the box. Nope, no registration there, even. Yeah, and that's a really nice. I like that. Yeah, super core plane model. Yeah. All right, now ready to taxi and take off. And ready to take off. Rotate. Oh yeah, let's do it like that. And now on this side, clear for landing. Yeah, and take off all the cargo now. All the cargo. Yeah. 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 Alright, let's see when they do on the other side. Yeah, turn the airport around now. Yeah, let me get it. Yeah, doors closed. All the things around, and the other one's off the planes. So let's let's do it. Fire one. Yeah, no, right now. Fire two. Alright now. Ready for taxi. Yeah, the right way, alright. Clear for takeoff. Yeah, alright, FedEx already getting in the sky. Yeah, I sure love this. Alright, now on this side, ready for a landing. I know, the plane, I know does the sound like a bird. That's yeah, super cool. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Alright now. Yeah, so let me show you how does it look even when it takes off. I know it doesn't got no windows there. Because it's a cargo jet, it's not a passenger. Yeah, it's not a passenger jet. Yeah. And that's how it looks, yeah, when it takes off. Or even when it lands right there. Yeah. Alright, now let me show it to you from the other side. Oh yeah, and now this is how it looks when it takes off. Yeah, from the left side. Yeah. There it goes. Oh yeah, I like that. Yeah. Already when it takes off here, and when it lands. Yeah. Alright. Well, everyone, that's it for today. It was so good, to show you this airplane model here at FedEx Express Boeing 767 single plane. Yeah, eaten by Daron. Yes. So and that's gonna conclude this airplane unboxing review update. So and be sure to subscribe, like, share if you liked it. Leave a comment down below and hit the notification bell. Yeah, I recommend you do it. So please, don't forget to do it. And so I'll maybe see you again tomorrow on another airplane unboxing update, reviewing, or maybe a plane spotting. Maybe MD, I might be getting, or maybe this week, so MDW or RD. Alright. Have a good evening, everybody. Yeah, see ya.